I'm Tim Kopp, Manager of Education and Training, and I oversee the Skilled Trades Lab program for Greenlee and RIDGID. Workforces all over the country are facing a technical skills gap. Demand for labor in the skilled trades is higher than ever, but there's a dire shortage of skilled workers available to fill those positions. We are committed to help fill this gap through the development of our Skilled Trades Labs. Greenlee and RIDGID have established the Skilled Trades Labs as a set of training certifications that cover the core competencies for the professional electrician, plumber, HVAC worker, or other skilled trades. Skilled Trades Labs brings the job site into the classroom where candidates learn real skills required by trades professionals. These certifications are administered through the National Coalition of Certification Centers, or NC3, and consists of 3 parts. First is the equipment offered by the manufacturer, Greenlee and RIDGID, for hands-on training. Second is the curriculum that is administered through the NC3's learning management system. And the third is the Train-the-Trainer events, where trainers and instructors from educational institutions come to get trained in the certifications. NC3's certifications allow a nationally recognized standard of training that crosses state lines and provides candidates with stackable, transferable certifications and skills that they can carry throughout their careers anywhere in the nation. The certifications focus on hands-on training along with the manufacturer's proper use instructions, safety, and even to a degree, the maintenance of the products. In this way, the Skilled Trades Labs establishes a pipeline of qualified candidates to help fill the skills gap for local employers. They know the proper operation and use of these products, which translates to better performance, higher productivity, and safer operations for their employer.
One of the big benefits of working with the companies like RIDGID and Greenlee with the NC3 program is the tools are there for the students to use. One of the things that is sought after by employers is an education in the proper handling and use of all the tools out in the trade. They would rather see it done in a professional classroom where they are supervised on how to use the tools before they actually get out into the field. This is a big benefit to employers all over.
One of the greatest benefits of this training program is the hands-on training. I can't emphasize that enough. You can talk about something till you're blue in the face, but once you actually hold it and you have somebody working through with a detailed guideline of how to train you on it, and you can make the mistakes in a safe environment, and learn here, and then you're ahead of the game for sure.
The advantage of the NC3 training is I could go anywhere in the nation, walk on a job, use these tools without any instructions from a boss, which makes me more employable anywhere in the country.
I think the excitement of NC3 really helps to capture the interest in career and technical education across the nation. It's helping to build a workforce that's going to be able to sustain local economies and really help drive economic prosperity for individual students that go through our programs.